All right, we're getting ready to do clean some hardwood floors. So we've got the dining room, family room, and a room off to the side, and then two bedrooms, one up, one down, that have regular old style hardwood floors in them. Floors are in great shape. They've been finished one time. We're just going to come in and do a deep clean on them, get some of the scuff marks out, and the normal just household cleaning products that's on there, and buff them back into a nice shine. They look great right now, but we'll catch a video of them while we're cleaning, so show what actually comes off of them. Normally we come in and we take off the gouges, the Bona wax stuff, and get rid of that stuff. So that's what we're doing, just getting set up, getting started. We'll be back in while we're cleaning and then showing after. You can see it's hard to see them, but there's scuff marks and different things on the floor, especially right here by the front door. So take all them out, get them cleaned up. All right, we're in same house, still buffing. We've already been over it once. We're still getting this yucky wax. That product that we looked at a while ago is wax. So we're scrubbing the wax off, getting rid of it. And that's what that milky stuff is, milky looking stuff. And if we get over here, you can actually see it on the floor, just all yucky looking. So that's what we're doing. We're taking off the old wax and suggesting that you do not put that wax back on your floor. And this is a 175 buffer with a blue pad, red pad. Its weight and revolutions at 175. Swing buffer, slow buffer, whatever we call it. So it does some scrubbing and you get this stuff up. So that's what we're doing now. Scoot furniture around, move it around, and do it. That's what the old floor looks like. And this is what we're cleaning. We're just cleaning a little bit at a time. Small square footage, just so the wax doesn't dry back on the floor. And then we'll probably set it up with the homeowner and come back after Christmas and knock this little area out, or maybe just get that taken care of, because I mean it's difficult to do all the areas, especially during December and all the Christmas stuff out and stuff. So anyway, that's what we're getting up.